Every great revolution starts with a spark that spreads its energy and changes the landscape around it forever. Semiconductors, the tiny silicon marvels that beat at the heart of every device. Semiconductors are the new oil, powering intelligence. In the last 10 years, under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's visionary leadership, transformative policy reforms have driven exponential growth in India's electronics manufacturing sector. India's semiconductor market is projected to reach $110 billion by 2030 in the $1 trillion global semiconductor market. India's semiconductor mission started with launch of Semicon India program in December 2021 with a vision of positioning India as a trusted global partner in the semiconductor supply chain. This landmark initiative marked a turning point for India's transformation into a global semiconductor hub.
DLI scheme empowers domestic companies with support up to 50% cost for chip design and 6 to 4% of net sales turnover, along with EDA tools, third-party IP cores and post-SI validation.
हमारा सपना है कि दुनिया की हर डिवाइस में इंडियन मेड चिप हो.
10 projects approved. These include Silicon Fab, Silicon Carbide Fab, and 8 packaging facilities producing 24 billion chips annually. With focused investments, policy support, and collaboration across industry and academia, India's semiconductor revolution is taking shape across the country. There are 20% of the world's semiconductor design engineers in India. Under DLI scheme, 23 startups have been approved for designing semiconductor chips. 60,000 students trained under the Chips to Startup program. Together with Design-Linked Initiative scheme, electronic design automation tools provided to over 280 plus institutes and 72 startups, making it the world's largest centralized EDA tools facility provided to students. These transformative projects will open up thousands of new job opportunities for startups, technicians and engineers. Revised semiconductor curriculum implemented by AICTE in more than 500 institutes. MOUs and MOCs with the US, Japan, Singapore and the EU. Partnerships with multiple countries for R&D and workforce development. Under New Bharat, industry will be encouraged to do R&D and setting up manufacturing facilities for equipment, semiconductor-grade chemicals, gases and materials for the development of complete ecosystem.
और अब भारत अगले 25 वर्षों के लक्ष्य पर काम कर रहा है.
From spark to silicon, from ambition to achievement, Bharat is rising and emerging as a reliable and trusted partner in global supply chains. This is Bharat,
building the next semiconductor powerhouse.
Jai Hind.